Good afternoon. My name's Steve Kuhl. This is my co-founder, Kabir Chopra, and we're the co-founders of Burrow. Burrow is a direct-to-consumer sofa company. Traditional high-end furniture retailers make you pay thousands of dollars and wait up to 12 weeks for your sofa to be delivered, and then you have to figure out a way to get the massive thing into your apartment, like Ross from Friends. This didn't make any sense to us, and so we started Burrow to offer the same high-quality sofa with a more intelligent design at half the price. In doing so, we're solving a major problem for people who have graduated from IKEA and Craigslist but can't justify spending thousands of dollars on an equally painful experience. So just what makes Burrow better? Burrow sofas ship for free in less than a week. They arrive in compact boxes, easy enough to carry up a flight of stairs if needed. The assembly process is intuitive, requires no tools, and takes less than 10 minutes. And you can disassemble the sofa and bring it with you when you move again. We offer all this at a price of $850. So that all sounds great, right? But do people actually want this? Turns out they do. In the last 5 weeks, we've pre-sold over $150,000 worth of sofas for delivery in October. And we're doing it with attractive unit economics. Even though we sell our sofas for less, we achieve the same 40% gross margin as other high-end retailers without sacrificing quality. Besides saving money by selling online, we took the massive cost of shipping a sofa and reduced it by over 70% by packaging a 3-seater sofa in 4 boxes. In pre-selling this summer, we've gotten our customer acquisition costs down to $150, resulting in a 23% contribution margin right out of the gate. Both of these margins will increase with scale. Look, we've seen the likes of Dollar Shave Club, Warby Parker, and Casper disrupt old, multi-billion-dollar industries with a direct-to-consumer model. If you thought mattresses were a good industry to get into, sofas are even better, $9 billion better. People have proven that they want our sofa with over $150,000 worth of pre-sales. And we've proven that we can make money with our attractive unit economics. We have 2 sofas in the demo room in the corner when you first walk in. And the next break, go sit on it, lie down, take a nap, do whatever you want. Once you try it out, you'll know why everyone will buy their next sofa from Burrow. Thanks, everyone.